morning we're going to take on the rain and go across to the island. It's rained all morning, but I thought I'd give it a risk. It's only 30 baht for the ferry. 30 baht for the ferry over, so might as well give it a go. If it's rained, so I'll just come back. It's 11 o'clock, so I'm going to go to the port on the other side of the island, not as common. I thought maybe the rain will scare people away, but there's still a lot of tour groups here. So let's go check out this island. Let's go. Well, we made it. The ferry ride took about 50 minutes. Very slow. I always find slow boat rides, time goes so slow. But we're here, and the little thought I had in my head that rain might scare people away, it didn't happen. The boat was full. The beach, there's plenty of people here. A lot of people were renting bikes. 300 baht, 400 baht for a bike. I don't think I'm going to rent a bike. I think I'm just going to hire someone to drive me around the other side and have a couple of beers, I think. So I don't think I trust people around here to ride around next to them. So I think I'll just rent someone to drive me over there, and then I can enjoy a beer or two. I don't like to ride the bike after drinking. Some monuments on top of the hill. I don't know. What do you think? Do you think the rain's going to stay away? A lot of boats, a lot of jet skis, a lot of water sports. Pretty nice. There's a few other islands around, some different resorts. But yeah, let's just enjoy it. Let's see what we can find. So what I think I'm going to try is, this place is packed. Obviously the ferry comes in here. To avoid a little bit of the crowds, I'm going to walk around, and I think there's a beach just around this corner. Maybe that'll make it a bit more chilled, a bit more relaxing, not as crazy with all these boats. So let's see if that idea works. There we go, move one beach over, a lot more chilled, a lot more space. So this is where I'm going to stay, I think, for a little bit. buying a coffee or a beer, some food. This is better. One beach over, a lot more relaxing, a lot more chilled. Over there it's a bit too chaotic for me. Too many people, too many boats, too much noise. Too many people hassling. Not hassling, they're just trying to sell you. You can rent boats and you can rent bikes over there. The beds, the different boating, like the banana boats. There's a lot of stuff happening. A lot of fun. Maybe if I were with friends, it would be a lot more fun over that way. But coming one beach over, a 10-minute walk this direction. I'll write the name of this beach on the screen. That port was called Taiwan, I think. I'll write that name over there as well. I think there's 3 ports that you can catch from Pattaya to this island. Maybe 2 ports and a different island. I took a photo of the schedule, so I'll put that on the screen as well so you can see what the schedule looks like. But yeah, this is much nicer. A bit of trash in the water still, which is a bit disappointing, but not too bad, yeah. Got 1 beer to have a drink, 120 bahts, a bit on the higher end for a big beer. You can get the seats. The seats they're asking 100 baht. I just used the sand. I'm gonna finish this, and then I think I'm gonna try to get someone to drive me over the other side of the island. Maybe if they even good negotiating, maybe I can stop at a different beach on the way and have a quick 5-minute swim, photos, video, and get on the other side of the port, other side of the island, to go back to Pattaya before the rain comes. But I think it's clearing up. What do you guys think? I'm glad I did it. Like, I could have easily stayed in my room when it was raining this morning. I thought, oh, I'll go watch a movie. There's no movie cinema in my town. Well, there is, but they don't show movies in English. So I was like, oh yeah, I could go watch a movie, go watch Oppenheimer or Barbie, or one of those movies that are out in English. But you got to give it a go, take on the rainy season, and so far I think I'm winning. 30 baht. If the ferry ride was more than, I don't know, 200 baht, I'll probably be rainy day, nah, not worth it. But 30 bahts, like what, 60-70 cents. So if I don't like it, just go back on the next ferry back, yeah. But so far, winner, chicken dinner. Alright, I'll finish this beer off and I'll see you guys for the next leg of this island adventure.
Life is a winding road, no telling where it goes. Driving through days and nights, won't stop for traffic lights. And I really wanna know if I will ever figure out where the road goes. Even if I'm falling down, I will keep on searching for my highs. You can say I lost my mind, I will keep on holding my head high, even if the sky is falling down. Jumping from cliffs so high, trusting our wings to fly. Sometimes we're crashing down, but we get up and start from the ground. And I really wanna know if I searching for my highs.
Alright, 50 baht bike ride to here. I didn't bother negotiating, so $1. About a 10-minute bike ride, and it gets to, I think it's called Yat Lai, the northern part of the island. Much better beach choices. Once you get away from those main beaches, this is much better. Bit of a resort here. Alright, let's go for another swim. It looks really nice here. A bit rough, but it should be good. There we go, 50 baht back to, now we're at Koh Lan, the other port closest to Pattaya, so it should be faster, the ferry ride. Bit windy, I think the storms are coming, so I'm going to head back. This is where you could get dropped off. This is probably the main drop-off area. A lot of restaurants, bars, cafes, and to get a guy to drive you around, 50 baht sort of seems to be the rate per place. I didn't bother negotiating, so maybe you can get it cheaper, but for 2 stops, 50 baht to Yat Thai, the first one, and then here 100 baht. So it's cheaper than renting the bike. I got to have a beer, and now we'll go get this ferry. Let's see how much it costs. All right, well, I'll show you a bit of the ferry ride back. That is what it's like here in Koh Lan. I really enjoyed it, even with the weather not being great. It was a good little trip.